Hello all, in this video we will see how to write contents to a CSV file and then read back the contents. So for that we have a CSV file in a specific folder. So as usual we will use the open function, okay, and we will try to open this. We will put it in write mode now. Okay, and data underscore, let us put it as right. Okay, so what we can say is csv underscore right, which is the checked, and we are trying to csv dot writer of, okay, data underscore right, we are trying to write to this file. Okay, so now what data to write? So for this what we'll do is we will try to create a small list of items. For that let us try to have header data as a small list. Okay, name is nothing but name of the student, for example, which is let's assume class, and percentage. Okay, this is the header of that particular table. Now let us try to have rows. Okay, rows data, and in that we will have lists. Okay, for now let us say where to know class 10, for example, percentage 85. Okay, now we will take one more row. We will say tech xyz. Okay, 10th class, and let us say 75%. Okay, now we have to write this data. Okay, for this uh, we have to write, we have to use write row of. So what we have to do is basically we have to first write the header data. Okay, and then we will write the rows data. Okay, so the writing to the file is done. Now let us try to read this file. Okay, for this we have to open the file in read mode. Okay, let us try to say this as data read. Okay, and data read csv read. Okay, so we are going through this quickly because read function we have already discussed. Okay, and then let us try to read row by row. Print of row. Okay, so for row in csv, let us try to compile this. You see here, so we have read and we are printing row by row in the CSV file. So this is how we can write to a CSV file and read to a CSV file. These codes will be available in our GitHub page, and based on the subscription you have for our channel, you have access to these files. Thank you.